Didn't know that love could change ya. And I woke up to a stranger. After all this time I thought that I knew. But when I was no debating.
Hello my loves, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I am here with you guys today with a Valentine's Day night routine. So whether you are single, whether you are taken, whether you are confused, whether it is complicated, this is a perfect time to indulge in a Valentine's Day self routine. This is a perfect time to celebrate yourself. This is a perfect time to spend time with yourself. And in today's video, I'll be sharing a night routine where I cook and just take care of myself, okay? So if you guys are interested in seeing, then go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get started, do not forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is light a candle, because a candle always sets the mood. This is the vanilla patchouli candle from Bath and Body Works. Absolutely love. And I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping my dessert first, since it's gonna take some time to do what it has to do. I'm gonna make these chocolate almond butter cups. You guys know I've been loving these if you guys have been keeping up with my vlog. So what I'm gonna do is take these cupcake liners that I got from Home Goods, and I saw this little hack on TikTok / Instagram Reels to turn these circular cups into a heart shape. So what you have to do is take a piece of foil and ball it up and use it at the top of the cupcake liner to give like an indent for the heart shape. Y'all, I'm gonna need some practice with this because some gave heart and some gave not. So I went ahead and just prepared my cupcake liners, and this is a perfect dessert idea if you are cooking for yourself, if you're cooking for babe, if you're cooking for your girls. Try this out and let me know how it goes. I'll also see if I can find the original TikTok that I referenced and link it down below. But the next thing I'm gonna do is take my chocolate, and I'm using this Simply Life chocolate from Whole Foods, and I'm gonna go ahead and microwave that for 1 minute and 45 seconds to go ahead and melt everything down. And after that, this is what it looks like once it is melted. You can also use this chocolate preparation stuff for chocolate covered strawberries if that's what you're feeling for. And then I go ahead and just apply a thin layer of the chocolate at the bottom of the cupcake liner. And then I follow up with the almond butter. I did melt my almond butter a little bit because it is a little thick with 2 C's. And then I went ahead and put a chocolate layer on top. I put it in the fridge for the duration of the time that I was preparing dinner. And this is what it ended up looking like. Cute, and they were good. Next up, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare dinner. So tonight I am making chicken Rasta pasta from scratch. In case you guys don't know, I do not consume dairy or eggs. So when I make this meal, I have to make sure that I make my scratch from sauce. So that's what y'all gonna see me do. But I'm just here seasoning my chicken. And I put some jerk sauce on in. Okay, I went ahead and rubbed it in. Period. And then I put it in the oven to bake. And then I put my pasta to boil. I decided to try this brand pasta. I've never tried this brand before, but it was actually really good. And I went ahead and boiled my pasta on the side, let it do what it had to do. And I am cooking, I think it's pronounced fettuccine. I just like this pasta. I like how thick and wide it is compared to like a spaghetti. You know what I'm saying? It's just perfect for me. And then I went ahead and started preparing for my sauce. So I went ahead and chopped up some orange, yellow, and red bell peppers. And I have my girl Stushy playing in the background. If you're not subscribed to her channel, make sure you do at the Stush Life, period. But I went ahead and chopped up these peppers, which I'm gonna go ahead and add to the sauce, which you guys are gonna see. And to prepare my sauce, I use oat milk, and I let this boil for a few minutes until it starts to bubble, gala bubble. And then I go ahead and add my cheeses in. So I like to add in Colby Jack cheese and mozzarella cheese. Both of these are from the brand BioLife, my favorite dairy-free cheese brand, absolutely good, and it melts. A lot of vegan cheeses don't melt, so emphasis on and it melts. Period. And I go ahead and let this simmer on the fire until it gets to a thick consistency. So it does take a while, and sometimes I do have to add a little bit of extra cheese to give it the consistency that I like. And then I go ahead and add in the bell peppers that I previously sliced up. And I'm going to season it with some black pepper, onion powder, and parsley flakes. And I just let it simmer for a while until it gets thick, okay? You just got to make sure it's thick and nice and creamy. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in my pasta. Mix everything up, let it do what it do. And then after that, I go ahead and I chop up my chicken in cubes. You could also shred your chicken if you want to, but I just prefer cubes. Add that in, and voila, dinner is ready. A quick little cute meal. If you don't want to do too much, you want to cook for bae, you want to cook for yourself, quick little meal idea, here it is, okay? I got these cute little heart-shaped plates from Home Goods, and I'm putting them to use. This is what dinner is looking like, and y'all know me, I had to get my content, so I went ahead and just took a cute little video. But now I'm gonna go ahead and move into the bathroom and continue on with our self-care. So the first thing I'm going to do is my hair. So I decided to refresh my twist out because the next day I had some content to get done. So I'm just gonna go ahead and refresh my twist out. When I say that, just basically means to just do my twist out over again. But before I get into that, I'm gonna take care of these dark circles. So I'm using these eye masks from Topicals. These are they're faded eye masks, and I've been loving these. These help with puffy under eyes and also with dark circles under the eyes. Absolutely in love with these. I finished a whole pack already, but they're so good. They have like a nice cooling sensation to them. Just so good. If you don't have them, make sure you get them. Black owned. I'll have the link down below. And then I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my lips using this Laneige lip balm. Love this stuff. If y'all know me, y'all already know how I feel about this lip product right here. This is the one, period. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do my twist out. To refresh my twist out today, I'm using my Mizani 25 Miracle Milk. Once again, y'all should already know how I feel about this stuff. And my Pattern Beauty brush. If you guys did not check out my recent video where I shared my current natural hair favorites, I will link that up above in the cards as well as down below. But I'm just gonna go ahead and do some 2-strand twists in my hair.
With you, I feel like Scarface. If the white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place.
And this is what the hair ended up looking like. Them twists is nice and juicy, okay, babes? And I was trying to get some cute pictures for my thumbnail and accidentally ended up recording these clips, but I thought they were cute in a vibe, so I was like, let me go ahead and pop them in right here. And then after I finished my twist, I went ahead and put on my little lunch lady net to just keep everything together. I also leave this on my head as I sleep. So if you guys want more details on this, make sure you guys go ahead and check out that current natural hair favorites video, because that's where I gave y'all all of the tea on what I have been using, okay? Before I go ahead and get into the shower, I'm going to go ahead and remove my eye mask. And as you guys can see, under my eyes just look so moisturized and lively, so I absolutely love these. Now we are in the shower, and I'm gonna go ahead, and I've been liking to exfoliate before I wash. I don't know if it's just me. I don't know if there's a method to my madness, but I just prefer to exfoliate before I wash. And I've been using this exfoliating Men absolutely love compared to an exfoliating glove. Game changer. Get it from Walmart, get it from Target, I'm telling y'all. And then I'm going to go ahead and wash using my Method body wash. This is the Magnolia scent. Absolutely love this. This is going to be a staple in my shower and body care routine for the upcoming spring season because it just smells so amazing. Okay. So now we are nice and clean, nice and showered. Now I'm going to go ahead and step into some body care. So for body care today, I'm going to go ahead and use my Josie Maran body butter. Y'all should already know how I feel about this stuff right here too. And I'm going to mix it with my Osea body oil. This combo right here does everything we needed to do plus more, okay? Trust me. If you're looking to moisturize your skin, something that's lightweight and not going to do too much and keep you hot in your sleep, mix these two together, baby, and you will be set. So I went ahead and did my body care. Look at my skin, nice and juicy, moisturized, all of that, looking, feeling, and smelling amazing. And the last thing I'm gonna do in my night routine is to prepare a cup of tea, because are you really Caribbean if you don't go to bed without drinking tea? Like, I just wanna know, for my Caribbean people, them, do you drink a cup of tea before you go to bed? Because I do. If I don't drink tea, I feel like I don't sleep properly. But I'm just gonna make some lemon ginger tea. And that is it for my night routine. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Comment and let me know what your plans are for Valentine's Day. All of the items used in today's video will be linked down below, so make sure you guys check out the description box. And before I went ahead and ended this video off, I wanted to give you guys a quick reminder that you are beautiful, you are lovable, you are worthy. Whether you are single, taken, confused, or it's complicated this Valentine season, just know that you the sugar honey iced tea, okay? I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoy your Valentine's Day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Tell me, was it all a lie? I'm confused. Then you say what I wanna hear, 'cause you know it's gonna get me here. Every time I said that